Good morning, students. Today we will start with chapter number 1 of your English language textbooks, that is the sentence formation. First of all, we will see what is a sentence. So, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. For example, if I say rises in the east the sun, here we can see that the group of words are not making any sense. But if I say the sun rises in the east, so now it makes a complete sense. Now coming on to the kinds of sentences, there are 4 types of sentences. First is your assertive sentence, second interrogative sentence, third imperative sentence, and the last exclamatory sentences. So first of all, we'll start with assertive sentence, also known as declarative sentence. So these sentence conveys a fact or make a statement. For example, if I say Mr. Malik is our neighbor, so it is a fact. I live in Jhansi, again it states a fact. Now coming on to assertive sentence are of 2 types. First we have affirmative and second one is your negative. Now affirmative is also known as positive sentence. It is called affirmative since it is making positive statement. For example, if I say she is a clever girl. Coming on to your negative sentence, words such as no, not, or never are used. So wherever we see a sentence where we use words like no, not, or any disagreement is there, so those all sentence comes in the category of negative sentence. For example, if we say she is not a clever girl, so we can see here that for a negative sentence we have used not over here. Coming on to the next one is your interrogative sentence. As you can see the sign of a question mark over there. So a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. So you all are aware as we have gone through this question marks a lot of time. So here are few examples over here. If I say what is your name, it is followed by a question mark, and again where do you live is again followed by a question mark. Next comes is your imperative sentence. So now we'll see what is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence which gives command, makes a request or express a wish. So whenever we have to give command to someone, or when we have to make a request, and whenever we express our wish, so all those come in the category of imperative sentences. For example, if I say shut the door, so it is a command which I am giving. Okay, so all these things where we give a command, it comes in the category of imperative sentence. Now if you see example number 2, God bless you, so it's a wish. Then comes your exclamatory sentence. So a sentence that expresses some strong emotions or sudden feelings is called an exclamatory sentence. We use an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So exclamation we usually use when we have to state some feeling. For example, if I say what a beautiful day, so as you can see it is followed by an exclamatory mark, and your next example is alas he is dead. So all these words like your alas, hooray, these are all your expressions which we use for exclamation mark. So here is a small picture where they have used certain images to show examples and uses of exclamation mark. So class, this was your chapter number 1 of your English language books. I request you to go through the chapter once again and try to go through the exercises, and we will discuss them in our next English class. Thank you very much.